Students, lecture 2 acid or base laga idu lecture de mon sabo indicators and types of indicators. Indicators are substances that changes color or smell in presence of an acid or bases. So indicators to talaga color nulibi talaga smell changes ho jai, acid nulibi basic medium de. So it will koi indicator that is indicate kure acid or bases la presence to. Example, turmeric best dalishile red color ho jai. Idu litmus paper, blue litmus paper dalishile red ho jabo aru red litmus paper best dalishile blue ho jabo. So idu anekta indicators ase. Indicators natural bhi ase, synthetic bhi ase, olfactories bhi ase. Example, turmeric, litmus, methyl orange, phenolphthalein, aru ede onion, olfactories land example is onion. Next, olfactory indicators. So it we can remember kro factories pra ki release kure smell. So hints ase do factories pra smell release kure. So olfactories indicators to saman ase whose odor talaga smell do changes ho jai, talaga smell do changes ho jai in acidic or basic solution. So acidic nuli basic solution de talaga smell do changes ho jai, it we koi olfactory indicators. So example, onion te mon acid dalishi bile smell change na ho, base dalishi bile smell change ho jabo. Vanilla extract te mon acid dalishi bile smell change na ho, remain same thakbo aru base dalishi bile change ho jabo smell. Clove oil acid dalishi bile change na ho smell aru base dalishi bile tala smell do change ho jabo. Indicators indicates kure tala color khan changes ho jai, itula under de olfactory indicators ai jai, tai kido acid nuli base dalishi bile tala ka smell do changes ho jai. Okay.